Hey everybody, welcome back to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Marcelo. And Jen is actually recording in a different location today, so you guys are stuck with me. All right, so again, I want to say thank you for joining today. I've been doing some cool stuff. I've been playing around with plugins, some fun things you could do with plugins, ChatGPT hacks, all that kind of stuff. So if you've been following, I've been doing a couple. I did something where you could download some stuff, some fun stuff on Spotify. Make it an app, make it some music for you. The next one was some meme creator. So go check out those other videos on the channel and learn how to get those on here. But so the next plugin or hack, like I just wanted to show you guys, is diagrams. Okay, so it's so cool and definitely takes the ChatGPT up a whole notch level up, dude. This is insane, you guys. So you've just turned it inside a new. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use it on inside chat. So a brand new chat. What you're gonna do is, so let's go grab it really quick. Inside here, you're gonna go to plugins. If you don't know how to do this, what we could do is you check out the other videos and I'll show you. So you're gonna go to plugins. As you can see, I have all my other plugins up here. We're going to go in here. We're going to go to plugins. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to plugin store here, and what you're going to look for here, it's show me diagrams, right? So show me, there it is. Boom, show me diagrams. So we're going to click on that, and when you're going to see it should pop up in here. You should see it. If not, I may have to arrow down. There it is. Should be in here. It's installed. Let's go ahead and close this out. Let's go see if it's in here. All right, so diagram, show me. Boom. Let's click on that. And now it is unactivated. All we can do is 3. So what we're going to do is I'm going to unplug these guys really quick. You can only activate 3 at a time. So then there you go. Diagrams is ready to go. So now that that's in, all we do now is we go down here, right? All right, so after you activate it and click it, what you're going to do is you're going to ask it, just ask ChatGPT to show you how to do something. For example, I'm going to ask it here, let's see, how to become a millionaire. Oops. Right? How to become a millionaire, excuse me, in 5 years. Right? Excuse me, in 5 years. So then we're going to hit go. And I'm going to let it do its thing. Move this little recorder dude out of the way. Okay, there we go. So it's kind of going through it really quick. Start a business, millions. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to push pause while it does this thing, and I'll be right back. So as you can see, I went ahead and redid it again. So it's using the diagram now to pull it up for us. So the ChatGPT is using that show me diagrams to fix it up for us. So what it's doing here is, oh, I spelled that wrong. Let me change that really quick. How? There we go. So then here's the diagram, and it kind of breaks it out for you, right? And then if you keep going down, here it's going to say view the full screen diagram. So if we click that, here it is. It gives me a whole breakdown. Start investing early, compound interest, stuff like that. So if we go back here to ChatGPT, now we could download a PNG, or we can edit by describing, describing the changes you want to make, or edit micro. So with a free over, so edit with code if you want. So here, if we download the PNG, so there's the PNG file, guys, right? And then you can mess with it still, right? And keep going and tweaking it as you go. So thank you. Please show me a diagram, or a list of the above. Okay, so now it's showing a list summarize of that. So here it goes. Boom. Now what it's doing is it's invest wisely. It's kind of showing everything in here, right? In a list. But I mean, if you're looking to get a pie chart and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. So now, you know, diagrams to migrate diagrams GPT, which is, if you jump back into here, now this here is a bot on mind map, diagrams, chart building, and stuff. So here you can automatically do all that for free as well as a bot. I just kind of want to show you guys as a bot that somebody had made as well. So visualize code, database, flow charts. It gets into a little bit more. So, which I can throw something in here really quick. So I asked it to mind map, create a mind map about social media posts, tips, and products, come up with stuff as needed. So here it goes. So you hit allow. So now it's starting the action. It's talk to the drafty.pro. Okay. See, it's doing it's showing you the whole breakdown. Okay. So I'm going to push pause while this runs through and then we'll get back to it. All right. So here you go, guys. Boom. It just did one really quick for a social media post with diagrams. So then you can go back in here and you can just keep going further and further in. So now engaging with posts. So this is with LinkedIn. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys a little bit, of what we did here. So, which I thought was pretty cool. So if you want to get a pie diagram or if you want to make a list, which is pretty cool, you can. So, so please please show me how to change a tire on my. I know you can. You can use YouTube and all that stuff. But I kind of just want to show you guys really quick this diagram on how it works by just messing around with it. So I'm gonna let it do its thing, and I'll be right back. All right, so we're back. So here it goes. So it's showing you how to save, pick your hazards on, retrieve the spare tire. Let me make this bigger so we can actually read this. So here you go, guys. Check this out. Tools used is a wrench. Put the spare tire on, and then boom. I mean, it's crazy, right, guys? So I kind of just wanted to. Here's the full screen on how the diagram works. But I kind of just wanted to give you guys a quick little example of how far ChatGPT and why it's so important that we get into the times and we get hooked up with AI. Okay, the time is now. Don't be afraid of it. That's why Jen and I created our group, Coffee Sometimes Tea. We made it light. Obviously, everybody loves coffee. They love tea. Come have a cup of Joe with us while we talk about AI. While we talk about ChatGPT, all the new stuff that's coming out. And then we also do a free class on a lot of this stuff and how to implement this in your everyday life and everyday business. So again, I want to thank you guys for joining me tonight. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you click on that link down below. Join my free community at school. We go in depth about all this here for you. We get excited about it. We have a good time in there. And maybe do a little giveaways. All right, guys. Thanks again for joining Marcelo with Coffee Sometimes Tea. You guys have a good night.